what part you're making, chances are there's a Haas ST Series turning center that can help you make it. For small parts, the small-framed ST10 and ST15 combine power and flexibility in a small footprint. An A25 spindle coupled to a 6.5-inch chuck drives the ST10. A generous 12 by 16-inch work envelope features a 1.75-inch bar capacity. Stretch the bed into the ST10L version and the workroom becomes 12 by 32.5 inches. Or you can boost up the power in the same compact frame with the A26 spindle and 8.3-inch chuck in the ST15. Inside, you'll find the same roomy 12 by 16-inch work envelope in the standard machine, or 32.5 inches in the long bed, but the ST15 has a 2.5-inch bar capacity. You'll find that same versatile, powerful A26 spindle in our mid-size machines. The ST20 is a production standard worldwide with its 8.3-inch chuck and 2.5-inch bar capacity. Open the door and you'll find a larger 13 by 22.5-inch work envelope in the standard machine, or you can roll that Z-axis all the way out to 42.5 inches in the long bed version. Kick your material handling capacity up a notch with the ST25. You'll find the comfortable 13 by 22.5-inch or 13 by 42.5-inch work envelopes in the standard and long bed machines, but at the business end, you'll find a big 10-inch chuck and 3-inch bar capacity. Throw a huge A28 spindle and a 12-inch chuck into the ST20 and 4 inches of bar capacity, and you get even more utility from the same compact medium frame footprint. That's the ST28, extra large capacity in a 13 by 22.5-inch workspace or in the 13 by 42.5-inch long bed. The work envelope expands in the ST Series. The powerful A26 spindle, coupled to a 10-inch chuck, gives you 3-inch bar capacity in a spacious 15 by 32.5-inch work envelope in the standard machine, or a huge 15 by 62.5 inches in the long bed. Add a second spindle to the roomy work envelope and powerful A26 spindle of the ST30, and you get our versatile DS30. With a 10-inch chuck on the main spindle and an 8.3-inch chuck on the secondary spindle, while still boasting a 3-inch bar capacity and a 12-station BMT65 turret, the DS30 brings the ability to finish both sides of the same part in just one setup. The massive A28 12-inch chuck and 4-inch bar capacity trifecta meets a truly roomy workspace in the ST35, with its 15 by 32.5-inch envelope and the ST35L long bed, with a 15 by 62.5-inch front office. Large part capability comes to its own in the ST40 series. The cavernous 25.5-inch by 44-inch work envelope of the ST40 grows out to 25.5 by 80 inches in the ST40L long bed. That's over 6 feet of workspace. You'll find the hefty A28 spindle turning a 15-inch chuck and a chunky 4-inch bar capacity. Even more bar capacity, a full 7 inches of it, and a hefty 18-inch chuck and beefy A211 spindle makes large part production dreams come true in the ST45. Featuring the same enormous work envelopes of the ST40 and 40L, when you have to turn big parts, the ST40 and 45L are the machines to turn to. Unless your parts are really big. Now you need the amazing torque of the huge A215 Plus spindle in the ST50. With the same 25.5 by 80-inch work envelope of the ST45, the ST50 boasts an 8.5-inch bar capacity. And the ST55 steps up to the enormous A120 spindle, offering 12.5 inches, handling bar and pipe stock up to a foot in diameter. No matter what part you're making, chances are there's a Haas ST Series turning center that can help you make it. Check out all the specifications and details on the versatile, affordable ST Series turning centers at haascnc.com.